G'day everyone. I've had this little motorhome for 3 months now, and I've just had my first breakage, my first casualty, and that is this little shelf down here. I put 2 litres of orange juice here along with 2 litres of milk, and even though it physically fit in, it couldn't handle the weight. When I opened the door, I swung it open. I think the force of the opening caused the orange juice to break the little plastic shelf here. So I've temporarily just glued it together with it's a bugger, isn't it? Temporarily just glued it together with silicone, but now I'm going to reinforce it. I did try and look for these little shelves online. I couldn't find the exact model, but I thought even if I do buy it, I'm probably going to buy another little flimsy shelf. Again, they were about $60 on eBay. So I've got a plan. Okay, so there's my little shelf, and I've just been to Bunnings and bought these 2 aluminium strips. They're only about I think $5 and $8. They're 3mm thick, and I noticed that this wide bit fits perfectly on the bottom part of this tray, and also if I put it sideways, there's all the crack bits there, it fits perfectly on that side. Okay, so my trusty little cordless angle grinder, I'm just going to start cutting these strips. I can't record this because I need 2 hands to cut. All right, here we go. Okay, so with my trusty little angle grinder, and of course my earmuffs, cutting blades, a little file, I've now cut these pieces into specific size strips. And there's the tray. You can see all the cracks down that end. So hopefully I've done this right. All these pieces will fit in right. This little guy on this side, this little one over here slides down there. A couple of little grooves to cut around. Oops. Now this little thin strip goes to the bottom here, and this thicker bit should just sit on top. Yeah, so there we go. So now this plastic tray has got aluminium reinforcing, so I'll silicone, I've got some bathroom silicone inside there. I'll thoroughly spread it all over the entire surface of these aluminium sheets and stick that down inside the plastic tray. And I've decided to go inside the plastic tray because the dimensions on the outside remain the same, because it is a fairly tight squeeze in the fridge. It doesn't look overly pretty. Let's set this up on this side. I've still got the cuts here, but I may even put a very thin sheet over that as well, just to cover that up. But yeah, I think it's a successful mission. I'll glue it together and we'll whack it in the fridge, leave it a day or so, and I'll put it to the test with a couple of milk bottles. Why is it when you're doing this job, you always get a fly buzzing around your face? Oh. Okay, I've turned it around, and I've also just made up these little 90-degree supports as well. Alright, time to start gluing. I think this is going to work out okay. Okay, everything's glued down. All those little strips were cut to size. Yeah, so those plates have been glued completely over the plastic, so I think that little bit of extra reinforcing there will spread the load out, and I think that will hold all the goodies. Yeah, a little bit messy on the front, but I'll just I might even paint that or put another little thin strip of aluminium over that down the track. Okay, I've just popped it back into the little shelf bracket. It all clicks in properly, just to check that the fridge door closes. Yep, nice and snug. That's done the job. Yeah, so I'll just wait for that to dry now, and yeah, pop some milk and put it at the test, but I'm sure that's going to do the trick. It is a little bit messy looking at the front there. I'm a bit disappointed in that. I'll either think about giving it a little coat of paint, or I could even glue another little strip of thin aluminium sheeting over that in front. It'll just give it some more strength, and it'll look the part. All right, thanks for watching. Anyone else that has this problem, I hope this video helps. All right, catch you later. Bye.